Welcome to another unboxing video for the new Pixel 9 Pro XL 256GB in Hazel Green. That's quite a mouthful. The box that it came in looks pretty normal. Hopefully the inside is going to be better. Now inside we have the Pixel box. Looks pretty good. Now let me start by pulling out this tab here. Unfortunately, when I pulled out this tab, the camera wasn't recording. I slide this out of the box. And here we have the new Pixel 9 Pro XL. So that's what comes inside the box. A USB-C to USB-C cable, no charging brick or anything. Over here we have SIM tool and a couple of info booklets. That's pretty much it. I'm going to set this aside now. So now to unwrap the phone. There you go. That is a good-looking phone. Looks grayish for my eyes than any shade of green. It feels good to hold and feels solid in my hand. Now let's switch it on. I'm going to set this phone up and come back to you on the performance of the new Pixel. That's it for now. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please share, subscribe, and like this video, and that would mean a lot to me. Ciao.